new ClickUp task is created and I receive an automated WhatsApp notification about that with my task details. Is this possible? Do I have to hire someone to do this task for me? No, the setup that you can see on the screen is going to do that work for you automatically. Let me show you how. I will create a new ClickUp task in front of you and you will see on my WhatsApp I will receive the notification for that task. Okay, so I will add the task and the details right over here. I have entered the details as database index optimization. It's to dummy user and the priority is urgent. I will save this task from here. As now I've created this task in my ClickUp account. If I will open my WhatsApp, you can see I've received this new notification. New ClickUp task alert. A task has been created in ClickUp. It's for data index optimization. It's in daily task, priority is urgent, and if I will open this task link, I will be forwarded towards the task that I've created right now. Okay. So this is how this amazing setup is going to work in real time. Whenever a new ClickUp task will be created, automatically and instantly a WhatsApp notification will be forwarded. Now, if you're thinking, how will I create this setup? I will use the software that is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing software using which you can create such automations without need of any coding and programming skills. So now, without wasting any of our time, let's dive into the creation of this setup. In order to access Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and you will come to the landing page just like this. Now, if you're a new user, simply sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup right away, test it out from your end, how it is going to work, and then you can create such automations using Pabbly Connect. If you're planning to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans, I have this gift for you that will save your money. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen, the same coupon code is added in the description section, using which you will get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans of Pabbly Connect. Okay, sign in and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect just like this. Now, to create a new workflow, go towards this create workflow option and select the option of create using quick builder right over here. With the help of an AI, we are going to generate the entire workflow without selecting a trigger and action applications. Okay, so I will select this option. You have to give a simple prompt towards your AI flow builder, that what you want, and AI will generate the exact workflow for you. Okay, so what I want, I will enter. I want to get WhatsApp alerts for new ClickUp task automatically. So I will send this request towards this AI and AI will analyze my request. Now we have to select the certain events. In my ClickUp, as soon as a task will be created, using WhatsApp Cloud API, an automated text message should be forwarded. I've selected the events. I will approve and create the workflow from here. You will receive a template now. Now simply build the connections and your workflow will be created. Over here, open the trigger of ClickUp, go towards this connected option and go towards this add new connection option. Now we need to provide the API token. To have the new token, go towards this profile section, settings option and ClickUp API. Regenerate the token from here, enter your account's password and confirm the password. The token will be generated. Copy it here, paste it and click on the save button. That is how you create the connection between ClickUp and Pabbly Connect. Now after that, we have to select the team ID, space ID, folder ID as well as the list ID. Okay, so now for these details, log in your ClickUp account. I'll go towards my home page. My team ID is Pabbly workflow, my space ID is space. Over here the folder ID is daily task and the list ID is list. You can see the details are already selected. Then I'm going to click on this even send test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether ClickUp is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will create a new task over here in this space and check whether my trigger captures the response of that new task that I've added or not. For the task name and other details, I will write it as fixed payment gateway timeout. This is my task name. I'm going to assign this task to dummy user. Priority is urgent and save this task from here. As now this task has been created, if I'm going to go back to my workflow within few seconds, you will see the response of the same event. The same task that we have created is going to be captured. This is the task ID. This was the name you can see right here. This is the status ID, that's to do, and I've received all the other details as well. Assigned to, date, time, the task URL, everything is right here. Now as we have received this response, let's send a WhatsApp notification to ourselves. I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business using WhatsApp Cloud API. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this API setup inside WhatsApp Cloud API, for that go towards this step, click on this connect button, go towards this add new connection option, go towards the learn more section. You will come to the Pabbly forum page where you will learn how you can create your own API setup of WhatsApp Cloud API step by step through this tutorial. And then if you want to learn how you can generate a permanent token for your business inside WhatsApp Cloud API, do watch the other tutorials. Now, I've already created this setup, so I'm going to simply copy the details and paste it down inside my Pabbly Connect's workflow, okay? And click on this save button after doing that. The connection will be created. Recipient phone number to whom I want to send a WhatsApp message to. I want to receive a notification on my number, so I will enter my phone number right here. After that, for the message, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message I want to send, okay? It says new ClickUp task alert. Now I have to enter the task name right here first. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you need to map the data, add a slash and search for the name. This is the name of my task that I've created. So I will select the data from my previous response, which makes this data mapped as well as dynamic. That means now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, next it is asking for the name again of the list or the project. So for the name over here, I will write it as the daily task, okay? Assigned to, I will map the date of the assigned to person's name. So it's assigned to dummy user. I will select it. Due date, there is no due date, so I will remove this part from here. And for the priority, I will map the date of the priority that I've received, okay? So this is the priority I'll select it. And last, for the task URL, I will map the date of the URL, okay? And simply click on the save and send test request button after that. As I've done that, I've received this response, which is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my WhatsApp, you will see I have received this new notification, new task alert. It's for fixed payment gateway timeout, daily task, dummy user, priority is urgent, and I've received the task URL as well. And it's the same task that I've created in my ClickUp account. If the task URL is going to open. Okay, so this is the same task that we have currently created. So as now we have received the notification successfully on WhatsApp, this is how the setup is going to work. Now, if you want the free template of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section. With that, if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Do use the code that you can see on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.